Artificial intelligence is evolving at lightning speed. OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Meta's Llama have been dominating the AI race. But now, Elon Musk's Grok 3 is making headlines. So, is Grok 3 the new AI king? Let's find out. Grok is an AI chatbot developed by xAI, Elon Musk's AI company. Unlike traditional chatbots, Grok is designed to be more witty, rebellious, and, well, Elon's style. With deep integration into X, formerly Twitter, Grok aims to bring AI-powered conversations directly into social media. Grok 3 is the latest version, promising huge upgrades in reasoning, creativity, and real-time knowledge. Some key features include enhanced reasoning. It understands and responds with improved logic and analysis. Live internet access. Unlike some AI models, Grok stays updated with real-world events. Meme-ready personality. It's designed to be funnier and more engaging compared to other AI assistants. But is it enough to dominate AI? Let's compare. Now let's see how Grok 3 stacks up against its biggest rivals. Versus ChatGPT 4. Grok has live internet access, but ChatGPT's training is more refined and reliable. Versus Google Gemini. Gemini is packed with multimodal capabilities, but Grok aims to be more socially interactive. Versus Meta's Llama. Llama is open source, while Grok is tightly integrated with Elon's ecosystem. So, who's winning? Well, that depends. Grok 3 is powerful, fast, and constantly learning. But calling it the AI king might be too soon. OpenAI and Google still lead in advanced AI development, while Grok is still growing. However, with Elon's vision, don't be surprised if Grok becomes a major AI player in the near future. What do you think? Will Grok 3 take over the AI world? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI updates. See you in the next one.